Okay, this is how you set the alarm on the ONN digital alarm clock. One thing I want to note briefly is that the left side is for alarm 1 and the right side is for alarm 2. This, it looks like a Z, it looks like 2 Z's to me. That's going to be your buzzer function, and the radio function is going to be below that. Same way on this side. Okay. You got to be pretty quick about this. You're going to press, let's say we're going to set the alarm 1. So I'm going to press alarm 1. It's going to start flashing. You don't have much time to do this. And then there's our minute here, and there's our hour. So we're going to just set it for 7:20, and that's AM. And then we just let off, and it's set. Okay, and it sets in the buzzer by default. If we wanted to change that, we would just push the alarm 1 button a couple times, and then it'll go down to the radio, and then 3 times it'll go off. Okay, so we want to turn the alarm on. It's on now on the buzzer. And if we want to change it to radio, and then there we go, turning it off again. Okay, I hope that helps. Thank you.